my name is Michelle Reed if you guys are new here, and today's video is actually so exciting because it's going to be my apartment tour. I'm actually moving out of this apartment in a month, and so I really like to document all the places I live in New York City because if you guys don't know, it's pretty common to move pretty frequently here just because rent goes up a lot or you change roommates or there's just like a lot of different circumstances, and I've already talked about why I'm moving in this video, so if you want to click it, it'll be right there. But I have loved living in this apartment. It's probably the nicest apartment I'm gonna live in my 20s. So great, but I am ready to have my own room, and I actually share a bedroom right now with my roommate, and just out of her privacy, I'm not going to show her stuff, so that is why I am going to not show the entire apartment, but I'm going to try to remember where everything's from and kind of show you guys. It's pretty small. It's like 595 square feet, I think, and so I don't know about you guys though, but I love watching New York City apartment tours, so I thought this would be a fun video. So this is where you walk in. Right here we have our cute little key holder. This is from Urban Outfitters, just says stay a while, and I think it's super cute. And then right here is just a little shelf, and this is kind of just like a bunch of random stuff. This shelf is from Urban Outfitters, but down here is like stuff I get for PR packages that I give away because I don't like having a ton of beauty supplies. But we have our umbrella, a little apron that's Nadja's, and then we also have some books up here that are mine that I'm trying to give away, but I don't know the best way to do that. So, and you come in the kitchen. Our kitchen is actually pretty big for New York City. I love how big our countertops are. It's really nice cooking and such, but we got our little bit up here. This is from Paper Source, our little fruit basket, as well as our cute fridge, which is actually pretty stocked because unlike a lot of people in New York City, I actually cook a lot, so got some stuff in there. Got a few little things on our fridge up here. Got our freezer, which is kind of messy. And then just a strainer and a salad bowl up there. And then up here, we just have some spices and oils. Our knife set, speaker, which we use a lot, which is Nadja's because we really like playing music in here. And then this is kind of our only like cabinet pantry space. So obviously this is a disaster, but I didn't even try to organize this because it always gets messy. But this one is mine. All I have up there are beans right now. And then that one's Nadja's, and we just have like our plates and stuff. And then up there is just kind of random stuff like water bottles and such. And over here is, we got all of our little coffee things. So this is Nadja's Keurig. This is also her cute little sign. I think it's really cute. It says, I'll start working when my coffee does, which I think is cute. And we also have an espresso, Keurig cups, and then usually there's a French press there, but the dishwasher, as well as some coffee right there. And then that's also Nadja's diffuser, and we have a few oils because I really like the way that oils make the place smell. So then you just come through here, and this is our cute little living space. And so right here we have, like, a lot of times our parents will stay with us, so these are just like a bunch of linens that we don't have space for, so they just kind of chill right there. Our little bar stools are from Amazon. I don't know where Nadja's lamp is from because this is hers. And then right here is our couch. I love this couch. It's from Burrow. If you guys are wondering, I got this in my move-in vlog. The whole selling point is that it's really easy to put together, so really good couch. And then this table actually picked up from a guy off Facebook in Brooklyn, so kind of sketch, but I think it's a cute table. And then that's a book Aiden got me, as well as our cute little candle. And then over here, there's kind of a lot of mirrors, but I like having a lot of mirrors because I think it really like opens up the place. And then this lamp is from Target, this mirror is from Target, and that one is from Urban Outfitters. And then we just have our bookshelf from IKEA, and our rug is from Dormify, I believe, but it's really comfy, but it does shed a lot. So, and up here we have the cutest fiddle leaf that's actually growing, and I'm really proud of it, so I like to put it front and center. And then we have some monstera leaves, and then our curtains are from Urban Outfitters as well. But this is the living room. Also, right here we have our TV, and then Nadja bought this dresser and it was too big to fit in our closet, so it turned into our TV stand. That is right here. In this little hallway, there's another cool print from Paper Source. They have a lot of these little prints that are really cute. And then right here is the bathroom. I like our bathroom. It's pretty minimal. We don't keep a ton in here, but there's just some dried flowers right there. This cabinet is mine, and so I have all my toiletry stuff in there. That one's Nadja's, and then that one we share. It just kind of has like leftover stuff. And then our towels here, and then our shower, which is a pretty nice shower. This apartment has really updated like appliances and stuff, so everything's really clean and nice. After looking at other apartments, I've realized how nice ours is. That is the bathroom, and then we'll just go on over this way into our bedroom. Obviously we share our bedroom, but this side is mine. Up here I have an aloe plant that Nadja got me, and then this is a painting that Eden's dad actually did, and I just think it's really pretty, so it's just chilling right there. I got a little succulent right there as well, and then this is my bed. My bed's probably my favorite part of my apartment because I think it's really cozy, but bed frames from Home Depot. That lamp is from Target. This is a print that Eden got me that's from like a local place where we live, so I can't really say, but it's a pretty popular print, so I'm sure you could find it somewhere else. But most of my pillows are from Target. This one's from Urban Outfitters. My bedspread is from Urban Outfitters as well. And then I also really like this area of my room since I do work a lot for YouTube stuff. I really like having this space, but my desk is from IKEA. Got some pretty roses. Usually I have flowers on my desk. The lamp is from Target. There's a pot that I bought for a succulent, and then I learned you can't put succulents in there, so I just use it as a pen holder. And then right here there's a little print that my sister-in-law Avery actually did. I think it's really pretty. It just has like different plants and such on it. And then my chair's from IKEA as well. And then up here on my shelves I just have a picture of me and Aiden, a picture with my family. This is a Vermont sign that Aiden's family got me, and then that print is a painting that Nadja actually made for me, and then this was from my friend Isabel. And then I just have my Bible, my journal, and then I'm currently reading A Tree Grows in Brooklyn, so that's up here as well. Up here, this is a mirror that's from Target. I always get questions about this mirror because I post a lot of outfit photos in this one, but it was pretty cheap, but I think it's just like cute and minimal. And then up here just have like my one purse as well as a hat that I don't wear very often. And then down there is just like a bin of electronics, which is kind of ugly. But one of my other favorite parts about my apartment is how big my closet is, because this closet is pretty much ginormous. Most of you guys have seen this from my Marie Kondo video. It's gotten a little more full since that video, but I have all my clothes in here. I have like t-shirts in this drawer right there, as well as like jeans and such, and pajamas in that drawer. But well, my closet, I'll probably never have another closet this big in New York. And I'm pretty sure that is everything for my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you did. I will also have a new moving vlog coming soon, as well as a new apartment tour once I move into my new place. But make sure to subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I